We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the cow print blanket by HSEEC. This blanket has gained significant attention for its unique strawberry cow print design, which makes it a charming addition to any room, especially for those who love cute and whimsical decor. The blanket measures 40 by 50 inches, making it a versatile size suitable for kids, teens, and adults alike. It is crafted from flannel fleece, which offers a soft, plush texture that many users find very comfortable. The lightweight nature of the blanket makes it suitable for all seasons, from winter warmth to a cozy layer during cooler summer nights. Users consistently praise the softness of the blanket, describing it as exceptionally plush and comfortable against the skin. Many have noted that it does not shed, which is a common concern with fleece products. This lack of shedding means the blanket can be used on couches, beds, or even in cars without leaving lint or fibers behind. The colors, primarily pink and white with a strawberry cow print, are vibrant and maintain their brightness even after multiple washes. The blanket is machine washable, which adds to its convenience and ease of care. In terms of warmth, the blanket strikes a balance that users appreciate. It is warm enough to provide comfort during cold weather, but not so heavy that it becomes cumbersome or overly hot. This makes it ideal for use as a throw blanket on sofas or beds, or as a travel companion for outdoor activities like camping. Despite its warmth, the blanket remains lightweight, which enhances its portability and usability across different settings. The design is a standout feature. The strawberry cow print is both cute and trendy, appealing especially to teens and young adults who enjoy aesthetic room decor. It has been described as a perfect finishing touch for a themed room, particularly for those who identify with a cowgirl or Western style. The blanket also serves well as a decorative piece, adding a splash of color and personality to any space. From a practical standpoint, the blanket's size is true to its description and works well for individual use. It is large enough to cover a person comfortably, but compact enough to be easily folded or stored when not in use. The flannel fabric provides a cozy feel without excessive bulk, making it suitable for laps, naps, or as an extra layer on a bed. The blanket is also considered a thoughtful gift option. Many reviewers have purchased it as a present for friends or family members, particularly for occasions like birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or Christmas. Its unique design and high-quality feel make it a memorable and appreciated gift. While the majority of feedback is positive, some users have mentioned that the blanket is a bit thinner than expected. However, this is often seen as a benefit rather than a drawback because it contributes to the blanket's lightweight and breathable nature. The quality appears durable, with no significant issues reported regarding wear and tear over time. Overall, the cow print blanket by HSEEC is highly recommended for anyone looking for a soft, warm, and visually appealing throw blanket. It combines comfort, style, and functionality in a way that satisfies a wide range of users. The blanket's unique aesthetic, ease of maintenance, and versatile size make it a great addition to any home or travel kit. We encourage those who own this blanket to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support this channel and make your purchase easy and convenient.